it's electric.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Today's the first time I'm gonna try it out, so.
Is that right, man?
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you one of those. Pretty nice. But they don't sell it, right?
No, you have
They don't
to.
sell it locally, huh?
Yeah, you have to like do it yourself. The propeller.
Propeller?
The Academy.
I see that.
I bought this at Academy.
Like Academy?
The
boat?
the boat. Yeah,
Yeah.
So and then I added that one.
Oh.
And I bought it at Academy también. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
right now I have it set at 2. The trolling motor I have it set at 2. The stupid boat passing by right here to my right. Lots of water. Oh. I should have my life vest on, but I don't have it on. I'm just gonna drift with the current and throw the top water. Can't really see where the oyster beds are right now. Lots of current though. The good thing, the current is coming in, and in a couple of hours it's gonna switch the other way. What, I didn't tighten the stupid I didn't time the. Oh shit! I'm gonna flip. The drain plug. I didn't do the drain plug. Hey, I didn't do the drain plug. I might flip. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna need your help, man. My drain plug, folks. It's a matter of life and death right now, folks. Hey! Hey, I don't think I tied my drain plug. You think you can do it? Shit, I'm about to flip. Unless I could go to the... You think I could make it to the... Let me make it to the shore. But I don't think my drain plug... Here, let me just go over here, but keep your eye on me, man. Man, my drain plug's not in, folks, and I need to make it to the shallows, and I'm about to... Huh? Yeah, because I'm about to flip, because I'm full of water. Just watch me, man. I forgot to tighten the damn plug. Oh shit. Oh shit, my steering's out, man. Oh. Just go this way. Oh, no. Let me try to shut the damn motor off. Let me try to put it over. Oh shit! There, fuck. What a way to start the damn trip. It's a little muddy, but hopefully, here. I guess over here is the closest look.
Yeah, I'll let you go. Careful, because there's oysters. Oh, I'll grab that stick for you.
Yeah, then my stupid steering went out. No, but yeah, I'll try to get over here and. Oh. Oh. I lost one, but okay. Yeah, I think I just gotta flip it over and start over.
You want me to go over there?
No, you got that stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, just throw it over here. Javelin. All right, man. I think I should be good. I'll just drain it here and. Yeah, just toss it right there by the sign. It won't go anywhere. All right, man. Thanks a lot. I lost some stuff. A guy helped me out with the anchor and my steering. They came off somehow. But yeah, don't forget to tie your drain plug. So it's gonna take me about 15 minutes here, get everything off, drain it, and go back out.